Hey everyone, it's me, Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my BoxyLuxe unboxing. So September is a BoxyLuxe month. In case you guys don't know, I'm going to go into my little spiel about BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service that is $21 a month in the US. You pay a little bit for tax depending on your state. And no shipping. In Canada, you pay $21 a month plus $5 flat rate shipping fee plus the exchange rate to switch it over to Canadian. So it usually ends up to be about $35 on my credit card every month. Every 3 months you can upgrade to a... BoxyCharm has usually five full-size products in it. And they retail for over $100 USD value. Now, BoxyLuxe is available every 3 months. You can upgrade your box. It's an additional $28.99 a month. It usually works out to be about $80 Canadian, $49.99 US. And I think it's about 8 products that you get in this one. So this literally just came in the mail. I have no idea what variations I got. Like, there were some things I was able to customize, but I'm not sure if I think I got one of them because it said so in my shipping information. But I'm not sure if I got everything. So I got some scissors here. So you guys know that I didn't previously open it. Okay. Looks like Canada Post might have opened it though. This was stuck in Halifax for like a week because we just had a hurricane. So I'm not going to look inside of it. I'm going to show you guys what the card is. So it's Boxy All Access, and I got variation 5L. I think I seen this variation yesterday on a video because I've been watching unboxing videos, and there's so many different variations that you can get. So I'm just going to reach in and grab the first thing that I feel here, and it is from Tarte, and it is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. This is really pretty. I'm stuck on my butter bronzer that I really love, so I don't know if I'm going to use this, so I'm not going to touch it, but I will show it to you guys. They got the little codes. This is gorgeous, though. The option was this, the Too Faced palette, which I would have preferred, I think, face palette, and the water bottle and the spongelle things. I got this. This is really beautiful packaging. It's like rose gold, and then it has Park Avenue Princess embossed. I might keep it. I don't know. We'll see. I got that vanilla-y smell that all Tarte products have. Or chocolate, whatever you want to call it. There's a little protection thing. I don't know. I honestly don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. Because I have so many bronzers and stuff that I don't know. I don't want to touch it just in case. I'm going to have to decide on this, what I'm going to do. But this retails for like $45, I think. It's way more in Canada though, but this retails for $45.
You better be going through that box after sitting here all day waiting for it.
Mike said. So that's the first thing that was in my box. The next thing is another palette by the looks of it, and they have it all bubble wrapped, so that's good. This is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I'm actually happy that I got this one instead of the Clay Play palette. The Clay Play palette from Tarte is really pretty, but this one has some interesting colors in it, and I think I really want to play with this one. This is what it looks like. I know the lighting is a little bit, there we go. It's really pretty. It has some neutrals, and then it has some pops of color that you can play with, and I just think it's a perfect little fall palette. So that retails for $29, I believe. Yeah, and this is all in US dollars, so in Canada it's going to be a little bit more. Some more bubble. Okay, this is the thing that I knew I was getting. This is the curling wand from Suture Beauty. The reason why I knew, they gave us options to customize stuff, and for some reason in my shipping information it always names, like when I check it through BoxyCharm and I click onto the thing to check the tracking, it always gives me one of my items, like it tells me what one is, and this is the one that it told me what it was, so I knew I was getting this. And this is a preference that I preferred. Now this was also a preference that you could pick. the Too Faced option wasn't available. It was either between this or a water bottle and spongel pads. And I said surprise me on this one because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. So I'm kind of torn with that chisel palette. I don't know what I'm going to do. But this has a nice holder to it. And this is what the curling wand looks like. And I can't wait to use this because I don't have a big barrel curling wand. So this is going to be nice. I'll get some use out of that. So I'm just going to lay that up there. And that's a hefty price tag on that one, I believe. That one retails for $65. So, yeah. Okay, the next product that I have in here is from Sunday Riley. And it is the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. The Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And this was another customization. It was between this and the pineapple serum from Glow Recipe. And I wanted this because I'm running out of moisturizer. So I'm using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, and it's almost gone. So this is perfect timing. And this has a hefty tag too. This is $65 as well. This is like $83 in Canadian Sephora. So I'm really happy to get that. I'm not going to open it just yet because I got to finish up my other one first. So the next product that I have in here, I think everybody got in their box. And this is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is like a nighttime moisturizer as well. Dr. Brandt's a nice brand. They're not cruelty-free, but I didn't buy it, so I don't know. I might give this a try. This retails for $52. This has a hefty price tag as well. This is probably $60 or $70 in Canada Sephora. Okay, so I have a couple more products in here. First is, I'm excited about this as well because this is a moisturizer for your hair. And my hair is getting pretty dry and the fall and winter is coming on, so this might come in handy. This is the IGK. I've heard of that brand before. I've never tried anything from them. It's the Hydrate. Oh, I can smell coconut. Hydrating Hair Balm. And yeah, so I guess you just put it in your hair, wet or dry, it says. And it does have coconut oil in it, so that's awesome. That's why I can smell coconut, I guess. This retails for $29. Let's check the seal thing. There's no seal on mine. Was there seal on ones that other people got? I don't know. Let's check this other thing for a seal. I always do the seal test. The Dr. Brandt product. There's a seal on that. Okay. So I'm not as upset about there being no seal on my hair care product, but I'm happy that there's a seal on my skincare product because it's going on my face. So I used my Huda Beauty Neon palette today. Alright, so two more products. I'm not going to open this one. This is from Hank & Henry and it's a liquid liner. I can't use liquid liner for the life of me. I don't do. Sometimes I'll put shadow up here because I can make it smudgy looking on purpose. But liquid liner, I like how it has a little ball in it though. This is from Hank & Henry and this is Blickety Black eyeliner. And this retails for $20. And I did say the IGK retails for $29, did I not? I think I did. And last but not least is a Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. I kind of wanted the Angelo shade, but I guess I got what I got. This is in Patina Shimmer, and this retails for $22. A lot of people were saying that there wasn't like a ton of shimmer in it, so I don't like shimmery lip products that much, unless it's a gloss sometimes. Oh, it's not too bad, I guess. We'll have to see what it looks like on the lips. The color's pretty. It's like a mauve color with dark. Good for the fall. What does this smell like? I've never tried the Stila ones. It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like a lip product. So that is everything that I got in my box. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with this yet. I don't know. There might be somebody that can get more use out of this than me. I don't like to hoard stuff if I know that I have a lot of a particular thing. So I might pass that on to a friend or something. I'm not sure. But everything else, I think I'll pretty much use. Like, well, I know I'll use. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been waiting for this box to come since like Monday, and I've been watching BoxyLuxe videos all week because I'm like, I want my box. I wonder what I got in mine. I have no idea. And now I know. And I'm pleasantly happy with it. It was a really good box. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.